perfect landing begins with a perfect pattern. That's what my instructors always told me when I was first learning to fly. But the truth is that learning to fly a traffic pattern for a new pilot can feel a bit overwhelming. My instructors would draw diagrams and explain all the steps, but without the sight picture and the real practice, I often felt lost and had to learn everything inside the airplane, which got really expensive really fast. I remember the frustration of trying to juggle airspeeds, radio calls, spacing, all while managing my altitude and heading. And it felt a bit like spinning plates while trying to learn to ride a bike. They told me to chair fly, to practice on the ground, and show up prepared to my lessons in order to save time and money in my flight training. But as a new pilot, I didn't know how to chair fly properly. The law of primacy states that what you learn first sticks. Practicing the traffic pattern correctly on the ground, with proper callouts and sight pictures, sets you up for success in the air. Practicing the wrong way leads to bad habits and more obstacles to overcome later. No one on the ground was walking me through how to build familiarity, sight picture, and muscle memory needed to fly skillfully and confidently. And a lot of student pilots tell me they struggle with exactly the same thing. That's why I'm creating a complete video series of guided visualizations for the maneuvers that you'll need to master for your private pilot check ride, starting with flying a traffic pattern in a Cessna 172. This is not another video explaining the basics, it is an immersive experience. You'll step into the cockpit and be guided through every phase, takeoff to landing, with clear explanations, practice flows, detailed callouts, views from the cockpit, and close-ups of instrument indications. You'll learn the flow, timing, and sight picture of each leg and phase of the pattern, with pauses to let you process and perfect every action. It's like having your personal flight training coach showing you not just what to do, but when and how to do it, so you can build the skills and confidence you need before you ever set foot in the airplane. This video series isn't just about mastering traffic patterns. It's about saving time, saving money, and showing up to your flight lessons ready to succeed. Plus, with downloadable guides and checklists, this video series gives you everything you need to practice smarter. So if you've ever struggled with chair flying or want to accelerate your flight training, join the priority waitlist to be the first to hear about any new resources to support you in your aviation journey. Send an email with the subject "Join the Waitlist" to chickswhoflyofficial@gmail.com. Consider leaving a comment below. I would love to hear your story. And remember, the skies aren't for those who just dream. They're for those who prepare. Let's get you there, and I'll see you in the next video.